Hello kids, welcome to Plufo. You are watching Wow Facts. I am Pooja. Kids, did you know where does your favorite chocolate come from? Is it possible to touch fire? To know all these interesting things, please do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kids, which is your favorite chocolate? I know the list is going too long. Well, have you ever thought where is this chocolate come from? To know the answer, then let's watch this video.
Just look at the beans of the tropical cacao tree, which grow inside leathery pods. Notice when the pods are cut down, the beans are a purple color, although they can be yellow and reddish too. After a few days, natural bacteria act on the beans, giving them a rich brown color and a distinct chocolate aroma. Now, it's off to roast the beans to improve their flavor. It contains about 50% cocoa butter and is the basis for all of our favorite chocolate. But first, it has to be crushed during the crushing process. After that, heat and friction create a smooth, dark brown liquid or unsweetened chocolate. After all this, I need to add sugar and milk. Then, the mixture is heated to reduce any large fat crystals to give chocolate its final velvety texture. Now, that's a treat.
Kids, we should not get close to any kind of fire. We have to be very careful because fire is so hot. Have you ever thought why fire is so hot? Come, let's find the answer in this video.
Heat comes from energy. You might already know about energy. It's the reason things move and change when something burns. Like wood in a fireplace. It starts out looking like regular wood from a tree, and then after it burns, it becomes all black. Sometimes it also gets broken up into smaller pieces we call charcoal. As the wood changes, it uses up energy and at the same time it gives off heat. The heat that comes from a fire happens because of something called combustion, and fire needs a little bit of heat to get started. It's the heat from the match that gets combustion and the fire starts. Then the fuel burns and changes and gives off much more heat. It uses up a lot of energy as it burns, so while burning, fire is so hot.
As I hope you all got right answers and enjoyed today's Wow Fact video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Keep watching Plufo.